Rogaine Solution, non, is a medication used to promote hair growth in men with male pattern baldness. It is not intended for use on the front of the scalp or receding hairline. It can also be used by women with thinning hair. Rogaine Solution belongs to a class of drugs called vasodilators, and it is not fully understood how it works to promote hair growth. It is important to note that this medication is not suitable for sudden or patchy hair loss, unexplained hair loss, or hair loss after giving birth. It is also not recommended for use by individuals under the age of 18. The recommended daily dosage and optimal timing for using Rogaine Solution should be discussed with a healthcare professional. Before using Rogaine Solution, make sure to read and follow all directions on the product package. Clean and dry the scalp area before applying the medication, and you can apply it to damp hair. Fill the applicator with 1 ml of medication or use 20 drops, then part your hair in the thinning area and apply the solution evenly. Gently rub it in and allow it to dry completely before using other styling products or going to bed. If you're using the foam, rinse your hands in cold water and dry well, then apply about 1/2 capful of foam to the scalp and rub in gently. Allow the foam to dry completely before styling or going to bed. If you experience scalp irritation, avoid using minoxidil on the same days you have your hair colored or chemically treated. Remember not to use this medication on other parts of your body unless directed by your doctor, and do not use it on irritated or sunburned scalp. Also, make sure to wash your hands thoroughly after application and avoid getting the medication in your eyes. It's important to use this medication regularly for at least 4 months to see benefits, and it must be used continuously to maintain hair growth. If your condition does not improve after using this medication for 4 to 6 months, or if you think you may have a serious medical problem, be sure to consult your doctor. Some common side effects of using Rogaine Solution, may include burning, stinging, or redness at the application site. If these effects persist or worsen, it's important to consult your doctor or pharmacist. If your doctor has prescribed this medication for you, it's because they have determined that the benefits outweigh the potential risks of side effects. Most people who use this medication do not experience serious side effects. In rare cases, this medication can be absorbed through the skin and cause side effects. If you experience unwanted facial or body hair, dizziness, fast or irregular heartbeat, fainting, chest pain, swelling of the hands or feet, unusual weight gain, tiredness, or difficulty breathing while lying down, stop using the medication and contact your doctor immediately. While a serious allergic reaction to this drug is rare, seek medical help right away if you experience symptoms such as rash, itching or swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. It's important to note that this is not a complete list of possible side effects. If you experience any other effects not mentioned, seek advice from your doctor or pharmacist. If you are in the US, you can call your doctor for medical advice about side effects, or report them to the FDA. In Canada, you can call your doctor for medical advice about side effects, or report them to Health Canada. Before using Rogaine Solution, make sure to inform your doctor or pharmacist if you are allergic to it or if you have any other allergies. This solution may contain inactive ingredients that can cause allergic reactions or other issues, so it's important to talk to your pharmacist for more details. If you have scalp diseases, heart problems, kidney disease, or liver disease, it's best to consult your doctor or pharmacist before using this product. Also, if you are pregnant, use this product only when clearly needed and discuss the risks and benefits with your doctor. It is also important to consult your doctor before using this product if you are breastfeeding, as it is unknown if this drug passes into breast milk. When using Rogaine Solution, it's important to follow the recommended dosage and use it at the optimal time for best results. This solution is typically applied to the scalp once a day, and it's best to apply it when your hair and scalp are clean and dry. When using Rogaine Solution, it is important to be aware of potential drug interactions that could affect how the medication works or increase the risk of serious side effects. It is important to keep a list of all the products you use, including prescription/non-prescription drugs and herbal products, and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. Do not start, stop, or change the dosage of any medicines without your doctor's approval. Some products that may interact with Rogaine Solution, include drugs for high blood pressure, such as guanethidine, and drugs that interact with alcohol, such as disulfiram and metronidazole. It is important to discuss any potential interactions with your healthcare provider before using Rogaine Solution, non-dash. Always follow your healthcare provider's instructions for the proper daily dosage and the optimal timing for taking this medication. If you accidentally swallow Rogaine Solution, non-dash, it can be harmful. If you or someone else has taken too much and is experiencing serious symptoms like passing out or having trouble breathing, call 911 immediately. Otherwise, contact a poison control center right away. In the US, you can call 1-800-222-1222 for your local poison control center. In Canada, you can call a provincial poison control center. Symptoms of an overdose may include dizziness, drowsiness, fainting, and flushing. Remember to keep this medication out of reach of children and pets to avoid accidental ingestion. Make sure to attend all your scheduled medical appointments and any necessary lab tests while using Rogaine Solution, non-dash. This is important to monitor your progress and any potential side effects. If you happen to forget a dose of Rogaine Solution, non-dash, just wait until your next scheduled dose. Don't take extra to make up for the missed one. When using Rogaine Solution, non-dash, it's important to store it at room temperature away from heat. This product is flammable, so keep it away from fire and avoid open flame after treatment until the medication has completely dried. Also, be sure to keep all medications away from children and pets. When it comes to discarding the product, do not flush it down the toilet or pour it into a drain unless instructed to do so. Instead, properly discard it when it is expired or no longer needed and consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for guidance. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.